Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. It's 2011 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide Ultra with 64,745 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with headlights, 14-inch handlebars, a Garmin Zumo GPS, wind-vest windshield, 13-inch Öhlins rear shocks, and adjustable passenger highway pegs. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated seats, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and navigation. The Road Glide was built for the long haul, offering spacious storage and weather protection. The CVO Road Glide showcases factory custom style and a stunning paint set standing out from other Road Glides. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Road Glide puts 115 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 905 pounds and has a 29.3 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.